As a parent, there's nothing more precious than a peacefully sleeping baby. However, getting a baby to sleep quickly can sometimes be a challenge. We'll explore some effective techniques and tips to help you put your baby to sleep as swiftly and safely as possible. Establish a consistent routine. Consistency is key when it comes to baby sleep. Creating a bedtime routine can help signal to your baby that it's time to sleep. This routine might include activities like bathing, reading a story, and gentle rocking. Stick to the same schedule every night to help your baby understand when it's time to sleep. Create a calm sleep environment. Babies are sensitive to their surroundings. Make sure the sleep environment is peaceful, dark, and comfortable. Use blackout curtains to block out any light and maintain a comfortable room temperature. Soft, soothing music or white noise can also help create a serene atmosphere. Swaddle your baby. Swaddling can mimic the feeling of being in the womb and help babies sleep better. Make sure to swaddle your baby safely with their hips and legs in a position that allows for healthy development. Be cautious not to make the swaddle too tight. Use a pacifier. Sucking on a pacifier can have a soothing effect on many babies. It can help them relax and fall asleep faster. Ensure that the pacifier is clean and always keep an eye on your baby while they're using it. Gentle rocking or motion. Babies often find comfort in gentle rocking or motion. You can use a rocking chair, a baby swing, or simply cradle your baby in your arms and sway back and forth. Just be sure not to overstimulate your baby, as too much movement can have the opposite effect. Feeding before bed. A full belly can help babies sleep longer and more soundly. Consider giving your baby a full feed before bedtime, ensuring they are well fed but not overly full. Avoid feeding right before bedtime if your baby has reflux or other digestive issues. Pay attention to sleep cues. Every baby is unique, and they will give you cues when they are ready to sleep. Look for signs such as rubbing their eyes, yawning, or becoming fussy. Respond to these cues promptly to avoid overstimulating your baby. Be patient and soothing. Sometimes babies may be fussy or resistant to sleep. In such situations, it's essential to remain calm and soothing. Comfort your baby with gentle touches, soothing words, and a calming presence. Avoid getting frustrated, as stress can be sensed by your baby. Consult with a pediatrician. If you find that your baby's sleep troubles persist or worsen, it's a good idea to consult with your pediatrician. Underlying medical issues, reflux, or allergies may be affecting your baby's sleep, and a healthcare professional can offer guidance and solutions. In conclusion, the fastest way to put a baby to sleep is by establishing a consistent bedtime routine, creating a calm sleep environment, and using soothing techniques such as swaddling, pacifiers, and gentle rocking. Always prioritize your baby's safety and well-being. Download this book now link in the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe our channel, like, and share with your friends.